अतिथि देवो भव.
Atiti da
देवो भव.
wo hava.
अच्छा. Say जय मिथिला.
Who?
जय मिथिला.
Jay Mithila.
ओके. नमस्कार, अपने लोगन के स्वागत कर रहल छी प्रयागराज से. और प्रयागराज में हमरा सब कतेक सेक्टर छे जतऽ घूमि रहल छी. और तखन हमरा सबके एक गोटे भेटलथि है जे फॉरेन से आयल छथि और ई डेविड नाम छनि, यूके से आयल छथि. हिनका से जनबाक कोशिश करब जे पहले कुंभ आयल छथि कि नहीं, या फिर पहिल बेर छियनि और की एक्सपीरियंस रहलनि है एखन तक जे कुंभ में घूमि रहल छथि. तऽ वेयर डू यू फ्रॉम?
I'm from Guernsey in the Channel Islands, just a small island just off the coast of France. So part of the UK.
You came before in this kumbh earlier?
I've never been to the Kumbh before. I've been to India maybe 6 times. First time probably 1997.
So in kumbh, this is your first
This
time?
is my first, yeah. It's
How do you feeling?
it's
What
ama-
is the experience?
It's been amazing. Everyone's been so friendly. It's just so big. I knew it was big, but you can't describe how big it is. It's unreal.
What is your experience about Indian peoples? You are roaming about all the mela, whole the mela, and what are you feeling?
Everyone's been brilliant. Everyone's so friendly. Loads of people wanting to have their picture taken with me. Yeah, it's been amazing.
Are they helping in nature?
Are they helping? Yeah, and also it's the cleanest place I've ever been in India. All the rubbish is picked up. All the toilets are clean. It's incredible.
So if you will get the chance next time that you will come to Kumbh, so what is your
In 12 years' time, I'm coming back for sure. Maybe I'll bring some friends with me.
several times?
Yeah, it's amazing.
David, what is unique in Kumbh?
What you found unique in this
What is
Kumbh?
unique? Oh, I think all of it. There's nothing quite like it in the world, is there? It's incredible India. That's what they call it.
So in your country, this type of function created or not?
Where I live, there's only 60,000 people live there. So when I come to Kumbh, it's quite a shock. There's probably 60,000 people just on this bridge.
Definitely. So this is very exciting, you know.
Yeah, it's amazing. I came yesterday at 3 in the morning, and wow, just too many people already. I had to run away, go back to my room, and come back later.
What are you by profession?
Sorry, by profession, I'm a body piercer. So I make holes in noses, lips, whatever.
So
That's why I look like this.
So how many days you are decided to stay here?
10 days at the Mela. Yeah. So I've done.
It's a tourist visa.
Yes, tourist visa. Yeah.
With tourist visa you are here.
Yes, yeah, for 10 days here and then back to Delhi and fly back home again. Just a quick visit.
Okay, very good luck from my side.
Thank you very much.
Just roam about this Mela and
Indian slogan, Atithi Devo Bhava.
I can't say that.
Atithi Devo Bhava.
Atiti da
Devo Bhava.
wo hava.
अच्छा. Say जय मिथिला.
Who?
जय मिथिला.
Jay Mithila.
ओके. तऽ सुन रहल छलहुँ अहाँ सब डेविड के. और हमरा सब कोशिश करब जे और जे मेला में फॉरेनर्स सब छथि हुनका सबसँ बात करी और हुनकर सबके की एक्सपीरियंस छनि या मेला घूमि कऽ केहन लागि रहल छनि. 10 दिन लायल छथि टूरिस्ट वीजा के संग और लगातार हम सब कोशिश करब जे हिनका सबसँ बात करी और चीज के निकाल के आनी जे केहन लागि रहल छनि हमर सबके कुंभ के मेला में.
टफकॉन XT 600 HCR TNT रिबा. पहले भी बोला था, अगर घर को बनाना है एक्स्ट्रा टफ
तो आप भी दिखा सकते हैं अपनी हीरोपंती टफकॉन XT के साथ.